Palace grounds tonight as three mega acts perform together. There's Parikrama, there's Raghu Dixit, and there's Farhan Akhtar. My colleague Mehak caught up with Farhan Akhtar, who talks about his big act tonight.
He has directed for award-winning movies, he has acted, he has sung, he has written for films and has also anchored for a famous TV show. Well, one of his movies did definitely rock on. By now, it shouldn't be tough for you to guess whom we have with us today. Well, we have with us Farhan Akhtar. Hi, Farhan. Farhan, we generally see actors turning director, and you're a director turned actor. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, I enjoy the process of making movies, so in any which way I can experience it, I feel happy about doing it. Doing Rock On, then doing Luck by Chance after that was a wonderful opportunity for me to grow in the medium that I enjoy. So it seems very natural to me. It's not very conscious in terms of, okay, now I want to do this. But given the opportunity that I had, I kind of took it. And people have appreciated the films, they've appreciated the work, and that feels good. So it's yeah, but it's I guess yeah, you're right about the fact that it's more common, you know, that actors turn director as opposed to the other way around.
But why didn't you start with acting? That's the question.
Because I wasn't really comfortable enough, I guess confident enough, you know, to face the camera. I was very happy telling stories. I was very happy directing, working with other actors. And over the years, as I worked with them, which was close to about 9 years before I worked on Rock On, and the Fakir of Venice before that actually. Where working with them, I kind of got a sense of approaching roles, a certain sense of understanding it a lot better. So it's important, you know, I get this a lot even when I meet younger aspiring actors, you know, who've come, who maybe are from Bombay or have traveled from India to Bombay, you know, and it's just this whole big dream, you know, to want to be an actor. But it's very important to understand the true role, you know, that you're supposed to be playing in the filmmaking process. I mean, of course, everyone sees the benefit side of it, you know, that okay, fine, I'll become a huge star and I'll have all these perks and these great benefits. But if you see the history of all the big stars that we've had, they've all worked really hard to become these big stars that they are, you know, and they've kind of understood the process of acting. And it's important for that to happen before you take the leap or take the step, you know, and become an actor.
Well, your sister directed Luck by Chance for you, so can we like look forward to more movies, and what is it on the...
Yeah, I mean, she's directing her next film in April of this coming year, which is going to be a very interesting film. It's a road movie about three boys, so it should be fun.
You here in the rock capital. Bengaluru is considered to be the rock capital of India, and you're here for a concert tonight. Tell us a bit about yourself, and how do you connect yourself with all these concerts? What's the message on it?
You know, I think like every other child who grew up listening to rock music, I had this fantasy about wanting to be on stage, you know, either playing guitar or singing a song. So for me, doing Rock On was like on some level this fantasy come true. And then subsequently, I mean, the popularity of the music has grown so much, you know, that all of us have been invited to many different places to come and perform. We were supposed to actually be in this city before when Rock On released last year, in 2008, yeah, last year. And unfortunately, there was the whole bomb blast incident that took place, so all the concerts were cancelled. But so it was something that we really were looking forward to doing. But unfortunately, the rest of the gang could come, you know, and neither could Shankar Ehsaan Loy. But I'm here with Parikrama, and it promises to be a lot of fun, and it's very exciting.
Well, you with Parikrama and all of that, if you could just tell what you're performing tonight and what can we look forward to?
I'm going to be performing a couple of like my favorite songs that I also enjoyed listening to as I was growing up. So Where the Streets Have No Name by U2, Hard to Handle by Black Rose, maybe a song by the Beatles, and then of course one song from Rock On.
To wrap it up, people in Bengaluru love music, and you're definitely going to have a rocking crowd tonight. If you would like to give any message or something to the audience?
Nothing, just come there and just let your hair down, as all rockers do, and come there and have a nice time. We're going to have a party, and we hope that you're going to have a party too.
Alright, so that was Farhan Akhtar, the rocking Farhan Akhtar, for all you there, telling us a bit about his career, his interest, and lot more. With camera person Ganesh, this is Mehak for News 9.
Moving on, apart from being a very genuine person, Sanjay Dutt is known for the amount of effort he puts into